Each time you earn, accountability, and unwavering service to the nation. Future leaders of the Coast Guard will be entrusted with rights, national security, and assist our work. Never take this lightly. Never forget why you are on this field. Present today. Your pride is our pride. Your support give an outcome that help these young communities remain important to their next beautiful day.
Hindi, tapos ito na rin mga daya. Hindi niya tubig mo dyan na tayo. Hindi ang sayang. Mahaba mata ng anong skills. Ang alam mo na yun, tanong mo. Entertain pa lang. Oo.
Sirap lang.